Hello, this is John from caveofprogramming.com, and in this tutorial we're going to start looking at sending emails from Java. So to send emails you need to have an email capable server, and I'm going to show you how to send emails using a server that implements the SMTP protocol. That's I think it's Simple Mail Transport Protocol. And there are all kinds of places you could find such a server. For example, you could, if you sign up for a Gmail account, you'll have access to a SMTP server there. Or if you use CloudBees, you can have a free account from there that will let you send a certain number of emails a day. Or there's of course this Google App Engine, which I haven't used it, but I presume that will also give you same capability, maybe via Gmail, I don't know. Or Amazon, I believe, also have such services. So there's lots and lots of places you can get these services for free, at least up to a certain number of emails per day. And you'll also need the Java Mail API. Now, if you install Java EE, the enterprise edition of the Java Software Development Kit, then you'll probably have you will have the API already that you need installed. And if you've installed Java Standard Edition, then you'll need to download an additional jar file in order to be able to use the Java Mail API. So if you have got the Standard Edition of Java, then if you search on the internet for Java Mail API, then you'll find this from oracle.com, and that will give you a link to download the Java Mail API release, which at the moment is up till 4.5. And you might read stuff about the Java Beans activation framework, but that's now included in Java from version 6 onwards, so you won't need to download that separately unless you're using some horrendously old version of Java. Now, when you download this jar file, you will get a zip file, which is called, I've got one here, Java Mail 145.zip, and you need to unzip that. So I've unzipped mine in ctemp. Let's go to ctemp, and you get this folder then, and the stuff you need are the jar files in the lib directory of that unzipped file, and you need to take those and copy them to your Apache lib directory. So I've got Apache installed in let's see, C program files. Where are we? Here we go. Program files, Apache Software Foundation Tomcat 7. You need to put those jar files in this lib folder, and once you've got them there in Eclipse, if you create a new dynamic web project and expand libraries here and expand Apache Tomcat, you should see them here. And if you don't, and yet you have copied them in, then you might just want to right click and refresh your project, and hopefully that will help. But as I say, if you've got Java EE, you probably won't need to do that. And once you've copied those in, I think that's all you need to do. But if you do have any problems in the next tutorial with not being able to import the right classes, then you can always just right click your project and do what you usually do, and just go to build path, configure build path, and add external jars, and browse those jars and add them in manually. But you shouldn't need to do that, hopefully. So that's it for this tutorial, and the gist of it is that you just need a SMTP server and the Java Mail API, and in the next tutorial we'll look at the code that you need to write to actually send an email.